Y'all know my makeup girl didn't come. Y'all talk like y'all be talking and listening. Ain't nobody listening to nothing I got to say. I got to tie this on my hair. Anyway, this just was for the style, y'all. Too loud to love to learn. Yes, yes. It's a dress. It's a swimming suit. What? It's a swimming suit, y'all. Y'all still got another year to get a swimming suit ready. Y'all can sit this summer out for the corona. Y'all got another 12 months, I guess, from now. Or 8, 9, or 11, 12, depending on how you want to do it. Whatever. It's just a Dollar Tree scarf. I went to Dollar Tree today. Got these two little things I want to show y'all. Dollar Tree special. I'm balling on my budget. Just like you balling on your budget, because we saving money. We entrepreneurs out here. We getting our stuff together. And we got to monetize what we have and our talents and our gifts that come with us naturally. But I want to put this on because I don't feel comfortable. This my Mary J. Blige, not gonna cry. But I don't want to put that. You know, they say you in the other place. You know, this my girl. Since don't none of y'all laugh at my jokes. Guess who found a co-host? Yes, I would like the live ones that my girl Wendy got. I love her. It's just so funny with her being at home, and I just appreciate her outfit. So I think I could at least bring you guys some smile tips. But what are we talking about? We talking about healing. Okay, I'm not certified, qualified to be teaching this, but I am as a student of life and as a avid reader, news watcher, news consumer, book reader, video watcher from credible websites. When you're watching and getting information from websites, look at credible sites, you guys. Don't look at friends or friends, dot friends and all whatever. .org. If it has a .org, .edu, certified, qualified. Um, Anyway, we got to heal out here. So how are we healing? At first, we got to admit it's a problem because if ain't no problem, don't nothing need to be fixed. We got our stuff together while we in this position. While y'all looking at me, I'm broke, y'all broke. But maybe y'all got some money because I'm broke. So I need to identify that there's a problem in my life, like talking too much, channeling my energy and focus, not being vague. I need to be clear and decisive and to the point. That's why I'm so all kind of places sometimes when y'all see me. But I'm glad y'all came back to laugh, to love, to learn. I'm glad y'all came to see me. It's your girl. Anyway, how to heal. Look, hey, y'all, get me off track. Admit it's a problem. Another thing, it's America's Therapist. I told you guys about Brene Brown. Another lady name is Lisa Nichols. She's a transformational coach. I'm going to link that I'm going to link that for Brene Brown also. These women are incredible about talking you how to reach milestones and micro wins and macro wins, taking things one day at a time. Vulnerability, shamefulness, just things that our culture don't speak on, and things that people don't want to talk about. We just keep sweeping stuff under the rug until like I just look like they pink now though. Oh wow, I shouldn't have did that one, but I didn't do this one, so it's just like peace, work it out. Peace, work it out. 2 times, peace, work it out. We got but I got these at the Dollar Tree. For dollar, I bought that little flower with it, but 2 vas a dollars. 1 dinero. Comprendo, comprendes. Okay. So it's easy to offload pain. So easy to let go your garbage on other people. Sometimes we got to sit and kind of soak in it and see what's going on. Why am I feeling like this? Why am I acting like this? Why do this type of situation make me mad? Why do this type of person make me mad? Why does this hurt my feelings? Why am I feeling anxiety? Why do I want to run away? Like me, I'm a person who smile and be like, bye, and then I run away from my problems. Because I don't like confrontation because I grew up in a lot of confrontation, so I would rather just run the other way. So, okay. What else? I showed you that. These just was my shades. I was thinking I'm not going to cry no more. I'm not going to shed no tears. Oh, I'm not going to cry. Die. Okay, there was the dance break. Get back on it. Okay, self-awareness. We have to be aware of who we are, what we're doing, how we making other people feel, how do we feel in the moment. Sometimes we think we doing things and Like, we don't know we doing them, or we don't care that we doing them. We don't care about its impact on other people, but in our things impact other people. We impact people, they impact us. You get what you putting out. So a lot of times people are putting out things and then playing that victim. Are you a victor? Are you a victor? Mr. Joe Osteen say that all the time. I listen to a lot of different people. I'm just not like a ride or die for him or a ride or die for her, or even nobody that I mentioned in these videos. These are just bits and pieces that I've learned from people. So I encourage you to take the pieces that you can use, take them with you, take that with you over there where you be at or wherever. My girl taking what's with her, cause y'all, I got my people with me now, so it's nothing. We can go down. So, and take that piece, and the rest leave it. Everything is not for everybody all the time, but it's all the same, and it's not. So, you know. So, just stopping by. Your neighbor, your coworker, your friend, your girl of a girlfriend, your TT, your auntie, no mommies. I have 58 on my tax return right now. Call the tax people. I don't get nothing back. They just all kind of different stuff is going on. So just caught up in that court system. You know, the justice system is very broken in America. If you check out or got in line for the black people, they just put us all at the bottom and in the back and in the trash can. And then somebody might, like on Sympathy Friday every other 52 weeks, they go pull us out. So thank you for your time. What else did I want to talk to you guys about? Don't buy a cheap camera. I said that. I did want to make a bloopers tape. I think I'm gonna kind of do that, but okay, I'm at 6:48. Are we staying? Are we skating? But I just wanted to tell you guys about that hill. What else? I guess I'm gonna check out the links. I add cards now. I got your girl got it. Deuces.